guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. There is less than 2 weeks until Christmas, and I think it's a perfect time to show you a DIY that I prepared for you today. The idea for DIY came from my friend, and I really like the idea. I've been using it with my kids, and this year I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna show you how simple, easy, and inexpensive this DIY is, and it's such a great project to do, and you can make a tradition out of it for you and your kids. But before we start, I want to tell you that this video is sponsored by SS Photography. The founder of this photography place is a wonderful lady. Her name is Sandra, and she is also a mother of two, and she is very talented young lady. I'm gonna link her website in the description box down below, and I really hope you guys check it out. If you're like me, if you always want to take a picture of your kids or your family, and you want to make it perfect, especially for this time of the year, for Christmas cards or anything like that, but your pictures don't always turn out the way you want them, then you're in the right place. You should go and check out her website. She makes all that easy. These are just two examples of the pictures that she made for my kids, and I am so happy. What I like about her website is that it's very easy to order. She explains over here exactly how you do that, but I will tell you in few words. Basically, you pick a photo background from her display, or you can get one of your own ideas. Take a picture of your child, send it to her, and then she makes it, send it back to you. If you like it, you pay it through PayPal, and you get your picture through the email, or if you want, she can post it over here, and you just download it. That's it. So simple. You can also find all the social media she's on right over here on her website, and you can follow her over there to see more content. As you can see, she is very talented, and also she is super sweet and very easy to work with. And another bonus to all this is that photos are very affordable. Head over to my description box down below for a link to her website. I love to support young entrepreneurs, women, moms, and help them grow. I really hope you will do the same. If you decide to check out her website, I have a code Blondie10 that you can use for 10% of your first order. And now let's go start with our DIY. I call this DIY Mini Christmas Bucket List. For this DIY, you're going to need empty mason jar or any jar that you have laying around in a house. I bought this one at Dollar General for $1. Then some crafting sticks, ribbons of your choice, scissors, hot glue gun, and a Sharpie. First, I'm going to decorate the jar with a ribbon. So measure it, cut it with scissors, same with the other color of ribbon. Secure it with some glue. And then I added another ribbon on top and made a bow. You can decorate it the way you want it. This is how I did it. Now that our mason jar is decorated, we are going to start writing down the things that we want to do on our crafting sticks. For example, I put bake and decorate Christmas cookies. Then I have donate food and toys, have a cup of hot cocoa, dance to a Christmas music, deliver treats to neighbors, and many others. Put them all in a jar and let your children take one each day. And that was our DIY project. I really hope you liked it and you're gonna try it with your kids. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I really hope you will check out Sandra's website and use the code Blondie10 for 10% of your first order. And that is all I had prepared for you today. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!